This Nollywood movie just crossed 2.5 million views in only 6 days. But the question is, how much money could a Nigerian movie like this actually made from YouTube? In today's video, I am going to show you how to estimate this revenue using Social Blade, and the answer may surprise you. What is Social Blade? Let's get to check. According to Chrome, Social Blade is a popular online analytics website that tracks and displays public statistics and growth metrics for content creators across major social media platforms like YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. The key features is growth tracking, user ranking, estimate aiming, and future projects. So we are going to the website at once so that we can log into the website. This is the website. You click on that, and this is the Social Blade website. So the next thing we are going to do now is for us to put the name of the channel that we want to track the estimate aiming, and the channel name is Yul Edochie TV. So we get to search on it, and this is the channel name. This is the channel. We tap on the channel, and this is the channel. 7 million views in total. This is the estimate monthly aiming and the estimate yearly aiming. So what matters now is for us to check the estimate aiming of that particular video. Today is 4, and the video was uploaded 6 days ago. 6 days ago from today is Friday, that is 31st. So let's check 31st Friday. And you can see from Social Blade that the estimate aiming of that video is $1,200. Note that the aiming can be higher than that and can be lower than that according to Social Blade aiming calculation. How are estimated aiming calculated? On some platforms such as YouTube, we show something called estimated aiming. Estimated aiming are just that, estimated. We take a low RPM value 0.25 USD and a high RPM value 4.0 USD, which are numbers that we found to be average worldwide, and then we multiply them by the number of views the channel get per day divided by 1000. RPM is revenue per 1000 views. This assumes that every views on the channel is monetized, which is usually not the case. So all what we see here is just an estimated aiming, not an actual aiming. For example, you can see on Friday 31st that the low RPM was $76 and the high RPM was 1,200. Then on the 1st August, we have the low RPM to be $149 and the high RPM to be $2,400. So the more reason why I say that it is just an estimated aiming, that it can be greater and sometimes can be lower than what we see, is that number one, viewers location really matters. Number one, viewers location really matters. Number two, not all views are monetized. Not all views on YouTube are monetized. Number three, video size, and that is video length and watch hour. You cannot compare 10-minute video from 1 hour video. Number four is that not all the viewers see adverts. Not all people that watch your video see adverts. Number five, copyright may affect revenue sharing. So anytime you see a Nigerian movie, short or viral video with a millions of views, don't just estimate the amount a particular creator is getting. Instead, use your calculator, and also remember that public estimate is different from YouTube estimation aimings. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video and this video make more sense to you, please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in our next class.